Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring key ingredients for a consistent cafe smoothie. Use 1 cup frozen fruit, 1 ripe banana, and 1/2 cup yogurt per serving to ensure texture. Add 250 ml cold water or 120 ml milk for desired thickness. Adjust liquid by 30 ml increments. Include 15 grams protein powder or 1 tablespoon sweetener for caloric balance and taste. Prepare extras like 1 teaspoon citrus juice or 1 pinch salt to brighten flavors. Keep toppings portioned: 10 grams seeds, 20 grams granola, or a single mint sprig. Operate equipment to maximize yield and consistency. Use a high-speed blender at medium to high speed for 45 to 60 seconds depending on load. Pulse for thick blends. Layer ingredients: liquid first, soft items like banana second, frozen fruit and ice last so blades catch evenly. For single-serve batch size, fill to 2/3 of jar capacity to avoid overflow. Clean blenders immediately after each use by flushing with 250 ml warm water and 1 drop detergent. Then run for 15 seconds to prevent staining and residue buildup. Finish by focusing on service, pricing, and storage to run a cafe smoothly. Serve in chilled 16 Oz cups with lids and 1 straw for consistent presentation and temperature retention, and garnish with a 1 sprig mint or 5 gram seeds. Price based on cost. Aim for a 65% gross margin, so ingredient cost equates to roughly $57 retail. Store unused puree in airtight containers up to 48 hours at 4 degrees C, or freeze portions for up to 3 months, thawing in the refrigerator before blending again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.